In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down, tap on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen ones, to for example enable or disable touch feedback. When you finished, go back, scroll down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!